Welcome back to Tucky's Collection. I know you wanted the Fortnite Nerf gun video. Garrett, Chuck, and Julio wanted it. And then I was going to make it today. You didn't know I was going to make it today, so I was going to make it. You want to get straight to it?
Yes.
Yes. You do? Can I hear? You do? Okay, let's get started with it. Here it is. Guess what I'm gonna say?
What?
Chugga boom! Chugga boom!
You missed.
Chugga.
Wait.
Chugga boom!
Whoa.
Chugga boom!
You keep missing.
Chugga.
It's not in.
Chugga boom!
Ha!
This is the Garrett boom. This is Garrett boom.
Oh. Ow! Wait, why does it look like that? Oh, there.
Now it's Julio boom.
Julio boom?
Yeah. Julio boom!
Ow! Tell them about this new gun. Or this old gun.
This old gun. I was going to, we had a good idea. We should put on Bubby's costume, and then we were going to put on Bubby's costume, and then let him do the gun, and then he was going to shoot it. And then it's going to say, Fortnite, let's go. All night, let's go. I got a green machine gun, dude sick. What a backball, dude sick. That's what we always going to say, but we didn't do that idea.
You never told me that idea.
Do you know? Do you hear that? Chugga boom, Garrett boom, Julio boom. Do you hear that? Well, that's pretty funny. I was going to shoot you guys. I forgot Logan boom.
Logan boom?
Yeah, Logan boom. Logan boom.
Logo boom?
What's a Logan?
Logan?
Logan boom. I mean,
Whoa.
Logan boom.
Whoa, ow. You shot everybody. Wait, where?
Wait, who's? Oh, Tyler's. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna go ask Tyler.
Wait. Go.
Ah! Hi, I'm a skeleton. I came from Bubby's room. You want to see the new RPG? It was just me. Tap on my pants. Take a Bobby camera.
You want to say goodbye now?
Goodbye. Chugga. Boom! Chugga boom! Chugga boom! Chugga boom! There's still more stuff.
No, there isn't.
Yeah, there is.
No.
Here's our new. This is new.
That's not new at all. That's a DS.
It's a DS. See, you could play. Do.
Okay, this is it for the toy review, right?
Here's a DS.
Is this it?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
No. Fine. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Leave. What are you doing? Okay, bye. You're not gone.